Nigeria's music scene isn't just vibrant, but a global force to be reckoned with. These talented artists are not only captivating audiences with their unique sound, but also achieving incredible financial success, which solidifies Nigeria as a music powerhouse. Here are the list of top 5 richest Nigerian artists for the year 2025 reportedly released by Forbes. Wizkid, born Ayodeji Ibrahim Balogun, tops the list of 5 richest artists in Nigeria with a net worth of $50 million. Singer Wizkid gained popularity the same year after releasing All At Your Boy in his 2011 debut album, Superstar. His song with Drake, One Dance, appeared in the Guinness World Records, and he was the first African artist to have over 1 million followers on X, formerly known as Twitter. Recall that the singer recently acquired his second Ferrari worth 1.4 billion naira. Wizkid released his 6th album, Murayo, which was dedicated to his late mother and released on the 22nd of November 2024. However, the song broke the record for the biggest streaming debut for an African album on Spotify. Burnaboy, born Damini Eboluwa Ogulu, with a net worth of $40 million. The artist has at least 5 albums and numerous hit singles. Additionally, he has received BET Awards 2019, 2020, 2021, and 1 Grammy Award 2021. Burnaboy was awarded the Member of the Order of the Federal Republic League for his achievements in music. He became the first African artist to have 2 albums earn over 1 billion streams on Spotify. The third person on the list is music mogul Don Jazzy, born Michael Collins Ajere, the owner of Maven's record label, with a net worth of $30 million. In May 2012, the artist created Maven Records and released an album featuring artists signed to the label. The record now has Ladipo, Ira Star, Rema, Korede Bello, Ricardo Banks, and other renowned Nigerian musicians. However, Don Jazzy received the Beat Award as a new discovery producer. The fourth person on the list is the unavailable hitmaker, Davido, born David Adeleke. The DMW boss, according to Forbes, reportedly has a net worth of $15 million. Recall that Davido released his debut single in October 2011 and his first album in July 2012. It's worth noting that his career peaked when he launched the Davido Music Worldwide label in partnership with Sony Music Africa in 2016. Davido is a cultural ambassador for Nigeria and a prominent voice of human rights in Africa. He is also one of the most followed African artists on Instagram and X, formerly known as Twitter. The fifth person on the list is YBNL boss Olamide, born Olamide Adedeji, with a net worth of $10 million. Olamide is among the most loved superstars in Nigeria. He mostly records songs in his native language, Yoruba. He was the first Nigerian celebrity to sign an endorsement deal with Surok. However, he also endorsed several brands. In November 2023, Olamide received his first nomination at the 66th Annual Grammy Award for the song Amapiano alongside his Sani Asake, making him the first and only Nigerian African rapper nominated in the history of the prestigious award. Mixed reactions have started pouring in online massively as Forbes releases the top 5 richest music artists in Nigeria. However, the net worth of the artist did not go down well with fans of popular Nigerian singer Davido, as they claim it was created by Wizkid FC. You can drop your opinion in the comment box section below. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more entertainment news updates and exclusive videos.